Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. It's really great day today and I am definitely thinking on just creating the part 2 for office tour vlog. So you guys may remember that the previous video was all about cleaning stuff here. I pretty much cleaned the whole office. It's only one room, but it has a quite, space, I can say. It's really like good size for me, for my business for now. So that time I completely finished the cleaning stuff here, and then I a little bit decorated my whole office. But of course some items and needed stuff were missing. That is because I ordered a coffee machine, I ordered a carpet for looking much good and just provide my coffee needs here while I'm working. So this kind of pretty much small things just gather and just made a very beautiful, sweet office, just little office. So one by one I'm going to show you what I actually made whole office, how I made it look. So I hope you guys like it. And I made my delicious coffee with my new coffee machine. It's really nice, and I am going to actually I was thinking to do unboxing video for the coffee machine. I bought a Nespresso coffee machine and I haven't used it before, so I thought maybe I should be doing an unboxing video for that and try how actually coffee tastes like and how are the capsules taste and the coffee taste of that brand, as well as the coffee machine is okay or not. So that one will be for another video, but now I will be showing you my office tour. So are you ready? Hope you're ready. Let's have it. Coffee and then show you the around. Well, this area is the basic one. It's an entrance. So when I am just coming to my office, I basically just come from this way. Look at the ground patterns, they are lovely. By the way, I should be telling that face to face. I actually rented a very old, I rented my office in a very old building. It's actually an inn, so very historical one. As I searched, and also people here told me that the first time this building was built in I think 14th century. It's like, oh my god, what the heck. They told me that this way, but according to my search on Google, I couldn't find this kind of knowledge properly. Maybe they didn't know much about the historical side of this place in Turkey, in Istanbul, so maybe that's why. But the whole inn, the whole building was actually rebuilt. Rebuilt it means it was a proper building here, but I think it's renovated, and some part of this building was rebuilt in 19th centuries again, in a very early of 19th century. So that was kinda game-changing for me, because I'm in love with the historical place and I really love feeling that vibes that like many decades and centuries like passed on this area, and even people who lived or who worked here in this inn. So that's so great. So yeah, this area is the basic entrance one. I have hangers here. By the way, all my office furnitures came with the rents. Like these kind of virtual offices mostly provide study desks and this kind of shelves and more stuff and this kind of hangers with the office. So that was actually also game changing for me, because it was really affordable in this case. Like you are only paying the rent, you don't have to purchase for office furnitures and all that kind of stuff. So I really like, and I'm really happy that I just didn't buy zero hand and furnitures for the office. So this area is completely very small, and this is the carpet that I bought. I thought it was a straw one, but no, it's kind of plastic, but looking as exactly a straw one. So that's fine, I'm happy with it. So this way we have a IKEA desk, but I don't know the exact name of this model. So I wanted to just get rid of this desk. Actually, when I just first came into the office, there was this one and all this kind of furnitures, but then I realized that where would I put the coffee and all that other stuff? So I thought that I said then I'm keeping this one and I will make it as a coffee corner or something like that. And as you guys may know that my husband is a graphic designer, so I sent him one code that I asked him to just print it out for me, and I will be just putting right here. Maybe that print will be, I think, ready within 2 to 3 days. I'm not sure, so I'm really excited to see that, how it looks. So here in the first time, I didn't bring all this stuff, simply these cup holders, and I have this kind of little basket here. So you guys know that I am a thrift lover, so I love thrifting stuff. So these stuff are also thrifted, but not my mugs. My mugs are actually my own. I purchased them. So it has a drawers here. I put my essential things, and I put here some more, stuff for the guests, for just giving them good and welcoming vibes here when they visited me. And this part of the office, I have my shelves. It's really looking good. It wasn't looking that good when it's empty, believe me guys. It's really no, I don't like it. So I said, okay, I will be decorating this area. Really, simple. Also, it reflects my thing, my colors, my stuff. So I thrifted this picture with the frame. Of course, I thrifted this separately, but I brought them together, and they look, very chic and really like historical. And this actually picture is the real one. It's an animated one, it's a real one, and oh my god, I love these things. So in the next side of this shelf block, I have IKEA cups, IKEA mugs. These are, we bought it I think 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks, I'm not sure. When I just saw them, I said, okay, I'm buying this because it's literally like office. It has the office vibes. I don't know why. And also the color is actually reflecting my having my logo colors. So that's a good combination with our company, our brand. So I have a little cactus here. It's actually not that much little, but I am trying my best to keep it alive and safe here. So I have my couple of books and my favorite Zara perfume here. This one I also thrifted. So these are kind of looking same but different, but I just bought it very cheap price. I can still believe it. So there was a small cactus in it already there. You guys may see that 2 cactuses just standing through the sun. The one of them was in here, and I just took it off to just have some sunshine, and I will just put back it here after taking its sun needs, I can say. So right after that, I have my lovely coffee machine here. You guys can see that it's a Nespresso one, and I don't know, there's a story behind this one, and I also need to tell you that. When we first got to the markets, the places that we just go and buy coffee machines, it was in the brand's own shop. We bought it from different shop, but I first went there and checked it. There was another color one. It was kind of what should I say for that color? It's kind of different, like brownish, but not that kind of strong brownish color. I liked it very much, and I told my husband that we should buy this one. And there was another model that it's all black, and I didn't like it. It was looking more, I don't know, I didn't like the taste of looking that coffee machine. So that I said I need to buy this one. This is really looking good, and it has the same price with the other one. So then suddenly one group of friends came. I don't know about those people. They came, and one guy among them just said, okay, I'm buying this one, and he bought it. What the heck? He bought it, and that time I didn't know it was the last piece that the shop has. So then salesman came and he said this was the last product. I was literally crying there. I just got that moment, I just got that mood that I was going to cry. So then he said we have another one but with different color. He said it's a red color, but the red color, no, it's not my type thing. So I said no, I'm not just interested in the red colors. And I asked him if they will be able to bring more coffee machines, same brand coffee machines that I missed the previous one. So he said I'm not sure, but you can check the red one. So we left the shop. So we went to another shop, and I saw the same brand coffee machine, and I went to ask for it to buy. So then I saw the prices were different. It was like 1,000 Turkish liras more than the previous shop. So I said, why just this much expensive here? And it's just company's policy, so I cannot do anything for that. I couldn't do anything for that. So the girl there just told me that I can show you another color one, the red one. And I said, okay, let me see this red color one. Because you also telling me that, and that guy was also telling me that you should check the red one. So she actually didn't show me the properly physically the coffee machine, but she showed me that in Google how actually the red one is looking. When I saw it, it wasn't red, it wasn't even red, it was kind of orangey metallic color. So that's chic, I like it. So then I said, Okay, fine. Okay, thank you so much for your help, I said. And just we went back to the first shop, and I told that salesman that I am buying the red one. Could you please bring that to me? And oh my god, guys, it was the last piece I bought. Okay, this was the story. And this is the coffee machine that we bought. It's still looking kinda red, but it's not red, it's totally orange. But the metallic one, and I really like it. I honestly loved it, so loved it than the previous one. So that's why I'm happy with that. And it's so good so far. I'm using. Hi guys again. I don't know why my camera just stopped filming, but I didn't realize it. I thought that I complete whole office tour video, but right after checking my edits, I couldn't. So okay, where I left vlogging was showing and telling the story of my coffee machine. I already mentioned the story. So I really like the coffee machine. Like I've been using it like 2 to 3 days, so I really liked it. Hope it just goes much longer for safe and secure. And I have the capsules here. They actually gifted with the box with the coffee machine, I think 14 capsules to try out the Nespresso coffees, and I like the tastes, the aroma and everything. Yeah, but I will be buying more capsules. And this side I have kind of decorational stuff again from IKEA. I got this basket I think 2 years ago from IKEA, and I just put some, you know, stuff that I will be using, kind of my personal things that people don't need to see. And I have my colognes here and really like the smell of it. So on this side I have my cleaning products that are not necessarily you know again open to see for anyone else. So I just cover them with this kind of bag, I can say. It's not a shelf unit, it's a bag, but I also thrifted this one, but I wanted to put this way. So looking good and chic. Also these Cape Town vibes are giving me, you know, I can say like good vibes. So over here I have my stuff, cable stuff, so not much interested. And this side, my final part of the video, or I can say my final part of the office, I have my 2 chairs for my guests and my study desks or my meeting desks. So every day I come here and sit down and open my, you know, laptop and do my tasks. So thankfully I got AC, by the way, because like it's been 3 weeks almost. And the first time I came to my office, the weather was really hot here in Turkey, Istanbul especially. So, well, I just couldn't deal with that, and I used this, you know, AC. So I'm happy that I have it. So this way we have the giant, you know, windows. Who has this much giant window? Tell me. I am really appreciate for this because it gives a brightness and the, you know, sunshine to my office. And if I don't like it, I can just, you know, make it much darker. This kind of, you know, tricks we have. As you can see, it just got more, you know, darker. And when I open it, it's getting much, you know, brighter. So this is the area I mostly work. And here is my little plant. I bought it this morning. I just loved it. I was thinking to buy the bigger one to put here, you know, to looking for more good, you know, side of this office look. but I bought it very cheap price, and the leaves are actually looking really nice. I said, why not just buy it this little and grow it by your own? So I need to be buying a bigger the vase, or I can say the plants, you know, cap for my little plant, and then I can, you know, grow it safe and secure. So this side I have my 2 cactuses. They are really little ones, and look at this one, just the, you know, small pops are already just came. I really like it, you know, it's alive thing. So this backyard of the building is actually not fun, so it's looking fine, you know, so I don't much just open the curtains. I just like the, you know, directing sunlight here, and it works for me. So also we have lighting here when it gets dark. But guys, this was pretty much about my whole office and my decorational stuff and all other things. So I hope you like it, and I really want to say here again, I really appreciate for new subscribers, because I don't know, since for 2 to 3 weeks I feel that my channel is a little bit growing. It's still less, but I don't want to say this, because every person that came to my channel, just open my video and try to understand my content and getting to know me much better, really, that's giving me good vibes and appreciation. So I am really thankful for your precious time that you're spending with me here, just waiting all along to finish my vlog, and just, you know, seeing my life and sharing your thoughts, your, you know, good, you know, wishes, or I don't know, maybe your not bad wishes, I don't want to say that, but your, you know, things, different thoughts, ideas about me and my content. So I am really open for all them. So I really want to thank you again for this. So this was the end of the video. I can say thanks a lot for watching and staying with me here. So I'll see you in the next vlog. See you guys, bye.